Today you can apply for a job in Rwanda. This is Amalebe Video TV. As usual, we say that on Tuesday and on Thursday we'll be talking about jobs that are available on different websites. Today we're going to talk about jobs that are available on EP1. So, to Rwanda Civil Service Recruitment Portal. And now we are going to talk about 6 jobs advertised. And now, as usual, the first job is physiotherapist A0 level 4, 2, 3 posts. As you can see, they are there. Medical officer, they are needed at Seashika. Occupational and the occupational therapy A0 at Seashika. Prosthetic orthotic A1, 2 jobs, 2 positions rather. Accountant, Rwanda Meteorology Agents, site technicians, 10 posts, Nyabihu. They are very needed. And now you're required to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, because if you don't subscribe, you'll receive this video too late, while we want you to see it immediately as well as we upload it. So you are required to subscribe and make sure that you click on the bell so that anytime we upload a video, you immediately see it on this Amalebe Video TV. And for information to apply for these positions advertised, the job advertised, you have to check our comment and click on the blue link that is there for you to go to this platform so that you apply. You are very welcome. If it is your first time, would like to inform you that you have to get ready for applying by preparing your certificates so that they be softly notified. Documents, preparing for CV earlier that is editable, and the lastly important thing, it is having materials to revise so that you pass an exam. And I would like to remind you that here on EP1 you have to first do what we call psychiatric exam, which requires you to have some general knowledge about the position you want to apply on. So the very important thing is to click to subscribe on this channel so that as well as we upload a video that is about job, you immediately see it. You watch it immediately and you go direct and apply via the link that we will put in the comment of this video. So you're welcome. This is Amalebe Video TV. As we said, we would like to remind you that you get ready for our videos on Tuesday and Thursday so that you keep on watching different positions published. Thank you.